spicy ginger garlic French toast. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the vegetarian recipes and one of the most unique of the egg recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the bread recipes and one of the most different of the toast recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the garlic recipes and one of the most unique of the ginger recipes and one of the most delicious of the gingerbread recipes. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe and press the notification button. Today we are going to make ginger garlic French toast. The ingredients are around 6 slices of bread, salt to taste, 2 red chillies, around 25 to 50 grams of garlic, 25 grams of ginger. Put in the red chillies, the ginger, the garlic, and close and grind well. Now we have ground the ginger, garlic, and the chili into a paste. Take this into the bowl. Break in an egg. Put in salt to taste. Mix. Put in the rest of the salt. And mixture until the ginger and garlic and the chili are mixed up. Mixed with the egg and the salt. And pour in 10 ml of oil. Let the oil get heated. Now dip the bread in the mixture and let it fry. Turn it over. take off the pan and onto the plate. Now dip the next bread piece in the egg mixture and let it fry. Move it around so that it does not stick. Turn it over. Let it fry. Turn it over again. Now take off the pan and onto the plate. Pour in 2 to 3 ml of oil more. Spread it on the pan. Now dip the after dipping the bread in the mixture, put it into the pan to fry. Now let the bread fry. Turn it over. Now take off the pan and onto the plate. Now dip in the next bread piece and let it fry. Move it around. Turn it over. Turn it over again. Now take off the pan and onto the plate. Put in another 2 ml of oil. Spread it on the pan. Now dip in the bread piece. Put it on the pan. Let it fry. Turn it over. Turn it over. Now take off the pan and onto the plate. This is the final. Spicy ginger garlic French toast. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the breakfast recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the bread recipes and one of the most unique of the French toast recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the toast recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the garlic recipes and one of the most unique of the ginger recipes. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe and press the notification button.